Hello everyone! Is your car struggling to shift gears or is the speedometer acting up? If your OBD-II scanner shows P0717, input, turbine speed sensor, a no signal, it means the transmission isn't getting data from the input speed sensor. In this video I'll explain what P0717 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to locate the affected sensors and components. Let's get started. The P0717 trouble code is triggered when the Transmission Control Module, TCM, detects no signal from the input turbine speed sensor. This sensor monitors how fast the input shaft of the transmission is spinning. If it stops sending data, the TCM can't determine the correct gear ratio, which causes shifting problems or limp mode. Ignoring this issue can lead to serious transmission damage. Common symptoms of P0717: check engine light on, harsh or delayed shifting, transmission slipping, speedometer not working properly, poor acceleration, car stuck in limp mode. If you're experiencing these issues, let's locate the affected components. To diagnose P0717, check these key transmission-related components. Input, turbine speed sensor, TSS. Location, mounted on the transmission case, near the input shaft or torque converter. Function, measures the speed of the transmission's input shaft and sends data to the TCM. Output speed sensor, OSS. Location, near the transmission output shaft opposite the TSS. Function, works with the TSS to determine gear ratios. Transmission Control Module, TCM. Location, either inside the transmission or mounted near the engine bay. Function, uses sensor data to manage gear shifting. PCM Powertrain Control Module. Location, under the hood, near the firewall or battery. Function, processes speed sensor data and controls transmission operation. Transmission wiring harness and connectors location. Runs from the transmission to the PCM. Function, transmits sensor data to the PCM TCM. Common causes of P0717 faulty input turbine speed sensor. The sensor may be damaged, disconnected, or internally failed. Wiring issues, frayed, corroded, or disconnected wires can prevent the sensor from sending a signal. Bad TCM or PCM. If the control module fails to process the sensor's data, it might need reprogramming or replacement. Dirty or low transmission fluid. Old fluid can cause slipping and sensor malfunctions. Internal transmission problems, worn out gears or clutches may contribute to incorrect speed sensor readings. How to fix P0717. Step 1. Inspect the input speed sensor. Look for damage, dirt buildup, or loose connections. Step 2. Test the sensor with a multimeter. If it's not producing a signal, replace it. Step 3. Check transmission fluid. If it's low, burnt, or dirty, replace it. Step 4. Inspect wiring and connectors. Fix any damaged or loose wires in the transmission harness. Step 5. Test the TCM and PCM. If everything else checks out, the TCM or PCM may need to be replaced or reprogrammed. Step 6. Reset the code and test drive. Clear the code with an OBD-II scanner and check performance. Ignoring P0717 can cause serious transmission problems, erratic shifting, or limp mode. Fix it early to avoid expensive repairs. For more car repair tips, check out these videos. P0689, ECM PCM Power Relay Sense Circuit Low. P0690, ECM PCM Power Relay Sense Circuit High. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.